The average homeowner spends over 2 minutes waiting for hot water in their showers. Hot water recirculation systems end the waiting and the waste. They deliver hot water instantly to homeowners, saving not only time, but up to 12,000 gallons of water every year. That's enough to fill 90,840 16.9-ounce water bottles. Hot water recirculation systems can be classified into 2 groups: systems with a dedicated return line and systems without. Many new or renovated homes have a dedicated hot water return line installed specifically to support recirculation, while many older homes do not. Many older homes were constructed without a dedicated hot water return line. Therefore, a bypass valve must be installed to create a hot water recirculation system. The valve is placed on the furthest fixture from the water heater and joins the hot water line to the cold water line. The valve stays closed while water in the hot water line is warm. When it begins to cool, the pump activates, the valve opens, and water is pushed back to the water heater through the cold water line until the hot water line is back up to temperature. The circulation pump is placed on the hot water line, leaving the water heater. In homes with a dedicated return line, a circulation pump is installed on the hot water return line just before the piping enters the water heater. The pump circulates water throughout the house, varying the flow based on time, temperature, or usage. This process keeps hot water in the lines for immediate use while returning cooled water to the water heater for reheating. If a temperature sensor is used, the water temperature in the line can be directly monitored. If it falls below a certain set point, the pump will activate and the water will be circulated and reheated. Grundfos hot water recirculation solutions are easy to install, save energy, reduce water consumption, and deliver years of reliable operation. For more information on Grundfos products, visit grundfos.us/HWR.